Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy and I'm the keeper of our home here at 4D Farms, where we're all about faith, family, home, and farm. Y'all come on in and see what we're all about, because we want our channel to encourage you and inspire you on your journey. If you see something that you like, please give it a thumbs up, hit that like button. That helps our channel grow and reach more people. If you want to subscribe, and if you think other people can benefit from our videos, please share them. Y'all, we hope to see you in each and every video, and most of all, thanks for watching. Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. Today's video is the second part of our garden update, where I left you hanging out, where we've got to, how everything's growing, and I'll walk you through the garden. Right now, we were out here this morning, and we cleaned up a little bit, did some things, and then they helped me, and then they decided they wanted to ditch me for these little things right here. Roly-polies. I used to play with these when I was a little girl. They've been collecting roly-polies this morning, getting hot and sweaty, getting fresh air and sunshine. Do you have a whole bucket of roly-polies? No? Okay. Just a few.
I got some roly-poly.
You got some in your bucket? Oh, you got them a nice home down in there. You got sticks and rocks. Now, roly-polies also need dirt.
It's fine.
Well, they need a little dirt so they can hide and survive. And you can put them some grass clippings in there so they'll have some food. Make them a little home in the bottom of your bucket. There we go. Okay, now let's walk around and I'll give you a quick update. I told y'all in the last video at the end of that one, all I had to do was come back. Okay, good. Now put some grass and a little bit of dirt in there so they'll have something to hide and get cool, and then they'll have something to eat.
This is the dirt.
Yeah, it only takes just a little bit of dirt. Okay, so I think I told y'all in that last one. Did they survive? Let's look and see. Okay, let me turn you around and show you. No, that's a weed. You can have that. Here's the tomatoes, y'all. Oh, that's a sticky plant. Oh, don't get one that's got pointy leaves on it. That's a sticky plant. I'm so sorry. I didn't see the points on it until you done hollered. I'm sorry. Okay, here's the tomato plants. See, this one's already growed up to this tall. This one's growed up to this tall. I have mulched around I'm so sorry. I have mulched and hayed around each tomato plant. I've already had to do a second staking, especially this one. I've had to come through here. Y'all, these clips are working wonders, okay? And look, I've already got like a bunch more little tomatoes. Look at there. My mother's tomato plants are doing awesome. She's getting some little green tomatoes. So I mulched them. Here's some little more right here. Every one of these were grown in the Aerogarden, y'all, and they are doing fine. I've mulched them. That's what I had to do next, clean the row up. And I've done the second staking, the second tying with some of those little clips. Yeah, so see what you can do with an Aerogarden? You can start seeds and start plants. Got each one of those mulched. Zinnias are coming up fine. They're growing strong. I'll probably mulch these too to cut down on some of the weed growth. Here's the other row of zinnias. All right. And then here's the other side. I got mulched around them, cleaned the row off, got some more little green tomatoes. Okay, got these all mulched. Okay. All right. Now all I got to do is bring the peppers out here, get the peppers out here. That was the second batch. Get the second batch of little peppers that needed to grow just a little bit more. And then we hardened them off. And now it's time to plant 12 more little peppers. So we'll get that going on. And then as soon as we're done, I'll show you that. Okay, y'all. In this clip, I took all of these peppers. These are next to plant. I took them all out of the Aerogarden. I am taking my pruning shears and I'm splitting the cage. See, I cut it open with my shears. You're going to need something strong. Okay, and I only had to make one clip right there. I separated it with my fingers, took the plant out, and we're fixing to plant these in the ground. That's all you have to do, y'all, when you've hardened off your plants and stuff and it's time to plant them in the garden. Take the pods out of your Aerogarden, cut the cages, plant your plants. And this is all the peppers. All right, y'all, all of them are finished. We got the other ones right out here. We started on the second row. And we finished up, we had room to put 3 over here to finish that row. And then I put the other 9 over here with that little lonely one. 9. Now all I gotta do is go get some scrap hay over there and mulch around here. And we're done for the day. All right, I got those remaining peppers right there planted in the hole, okay? And I got hay on them. I had 12 that was ready today to get in the ground. So I finished up this row with these peppers. I'm done with the tomatoes. No more tomatoes to plant. I started with peppers, so I didn't waste a row. There's no sense in hoeing a bare row. So I just finished this fence up with peppers. Then I came over here and I showed you that one lonely one in the last video. Well, he's got some buddies now. He's got 9 more peppers. I have some more little bitty ones that will be ready in a couple of weeks to go out here, and we'll repeat the same process. We dug the hole, dropped them in the holes. Now I'm fixing to go grab that scrap hay right over there in the corner and mulch around these peppers. And that will be the peppers. This is the second stage of the garden update. And yeah, this is the second stage of the garden update. Okay? And then, let's see, I had to replant some zucchinis. I told you that. They haven't popped through the surface yet. It hasn't been enough time. I had to do 5 more mounds, and that's where they stopped. This is something voluntarily growing up. And I think that's going to be butternut squash, because I think that's where they were. Now, we already had the okra growing, but I told you some of it was spasmodic, and I had to go back and replant some more. I did that. And now, let me find some. Hello, farm girl. Y'all ditched me for roly-polies. Okay, yeah. All right, it's been a couple of weeks, and here's some that I replanted, and now they're sprouting up. So I'm mulching around them. Here's some more. I accidentally covered them up. I didn't mean to. There's some more. There's some more. Don't step on them. Brush it away. There you go. Pull it away. Oh, no. Right, see, they're growing right here in the aisle. That's where they are. Good job, Caroline. Well, you'll have to give me a second. Remember, I told you we got a cowgirl up, okay? I'm almost done. Yeah. Yeah, we've been out here just for a little bit. They helped me get these in the ground, and then they ditched me for roly-polies. I didn't mean to cover these up. Let's uncover them, get them exposed. There we go. See, now they're sprouting up. So it's been a couple of weeks since I did that. I was in a hurry yesterday evening, y'all, because everybody was tired and hungry, and we had to head for the house. So I got in too big of a hurry, and I accidentally covered some up, and I didn't mean to. So let me clean these up right quick, because everybody's hot. We got out here this morning. We're fixing to go inside, rest, take showers, eat lunch, and take a nappy, especially kids. Y'all keep an eye on your kids this summer, okay? They get hotter quicker than grown-ups, and they can get dehydrated quicker than grown-ups. Y'all keep an eye on them, okay? So, there is the okra that's coming back up. Then the first batch I already did. Got it mulched last night. Then the zucchini, as soon as I see where the plants are coming up at, I can mulch around them. I got to get out here and get some weeds out, and that's okay. I can sit on my tushy as I go. All right, so the remaining peppers are going to finish up this row. And then if I have more peppers, I'll come along that other side and start down that row. Or I'll start them on the other side of this row. Keep everything down to the bottom. Yeah, they ditched me for roly-polies and worms. Y'all, it's okay. They're outside. They're playing in the dirt, building up their immune system, getting it in their hair, and they're getting fresh air. That's okay. That's okay. So that is the last garden update. Hubby's going to come out here this evening, help me till the rough spots that I can't do. He'll help me till. And then that is a little process that we can take a halt on and relax and just watch it grow and just keep it maintained. So this is the second update. So y'all just keep following and we'll go through the next stage. We'll catch you in the next video.